Thank you for joining. Power to Practice 2-Minute Tuesdays presents how to use the Pending Orders tab. Today, we will be reviewing how to access and manage pending orders to improve your workflow. There are two ways of accessing pending orders. From the home page, navigate down to the to-do list and click on Pending Orders. This option will show all patients with pending orders that were placed under the user's account. You may also use the three-dot flyout menu on the patient summary page in the patient's chart. Hover down and click on Pending Orders. This option will only show pending orders for that specific patient. For this example, we will access the pending orders from the P2P home page. Enter the notes of a particular order in the search box to locate a certain order for a patient. You have the option to edit the assigned to user's name, if you wish to search for pending orders placed by any practice user. Or you can delete the user's name, then hit Enter on your keyboard, to see all pending orders placed by the practice. Use the Select Type drop-down menu to filter by a particular order. You can select Diagnostic Tests, General Order, IV, Injection, Vaccination Orders, or Lab Order. If you wish to filter by pending or completed orders, access the drop-down menu and select from the available options. To access a pending order, click on the patient's name. For this example, let's click on Ken Tester as our patient with a pending order for diagnostic testing. A new web tab will open and you will be brought to that particular ordering section in the patient's chart. If you are accessing the pending orders in a patient's chart, you will still be brought to the pending orders section, but it will now default to that specific patient for review. Thank you for joining the Power to Practice 2-Minute Tuesdays presentation on how to use the Pending Orders tab. Look out for more 2-Minute Tuesdays coming your way.